Welcome all, this is another video in topology series. In this we'll see path connected spaces. For this we'll first define path. If X is a topological space and X and Y are two elements of space X, then a path from X to Y in X is a continuous map F from some closed interval AB of real line into X such that f of A is equal to X and f of B is equal to Y. And the space is said to be path connected if every pair of points in space X can be joined by a path in X. For example, set of real numbers R is path connected space with standard topology. That is, for every xy belonging to R, we are able to find some path f from closed interval AB of R to R. However, R minus singleton 0 or R star is not path connected, or in fact it is not connected, since if we remove 0 we won't be able to connect points from left to points with right by any path. Say for example -1 to 1, -2 to 2 and so on. Now we'll see one theorem regarding path connected space. The theorem states that every path connected space is connected. To prove this, suppose any topological space X is path connected. Then to prove that this X is connected, suppose on contrary that X is not connected. Then there will exist two non-empty disjoint open sets forming separation of X. But as X is path connected, there will exist path between 2 points in space X. So suppose f from closed interval AB to X be any path in X. And as we know by definition of path, f will be continuous map. And we know that closed interval AB is connected. So image of closed interval AB under continuous map f will be connected, and thus f of closed interval AB will be connected. But as we have assumed that space X has separation, so this connected image of closed interval AB will completely lie either in A or in B. So what does this mean? If it lies in A, then there will exist no path joining the points of A to points in B, and this will be contradiction, since we have assumed that X is path connected. And thus our assumption that X is not connected is wrong, and hence X has to be connected.